everybody, morning. It's the morning of the show. It's now 4:55 a.m. and we are off to Kingston.
Please press the button and take the card.
Hi, Miss Jane. Thank you, Miss Jane.
Safe journey.
Thank you.
I don't eat this. I don't eat this.
Me tell us if we pull over and read him up.
I don't eat this. I'm gonna read him up.
No, maybe you read him up. Maybe read him up for me job.
No, I will do a better job.
Come on, I said in that town the other day, I made read it.
In 400 meters, turn right on
400 meters.
Turn right.
Right.
Well, let me say up there, sir.
Oh my god. We're trying to find Courtney Auditorium. So we're using the map.
Here, so.
Turn right onto
Turn right onto Constant Spring Road. I don't understand.
Yeah, something here.
In 400 meters, turn left onto West King's House Road.
Huh?
Oh,
Then I turn.
Alright, so I'm gonna
Put on the indicator say your friend knows so in there.
What's him on now? What's him? Babe, sit down in that car. Jesus have mercy. Go back by the map.
We don't put him up, it's a fit. You better tell us to turn and
Turn left on King's House Road.
West King's House Road.
Oh. Yeah, but you have to reach the road first before you turn left.
No shit. Turn?
No. We tell you when you need to turn.
Well, me know. So. We know New Kingston.
Very good.
You know, so we know where Courtney Auditorium there. We
So
just never
you
make
don't need the map then?
I right up this up.
No shit.
Right up this up.
So you don't need the map then?
Yeah, I can't.
So you go, are you saying to turn not to me?
No.
And are you saying?
I go
No.
straight.
You go straight.
Well, like your friend on one shot.
Yeah, but me, my father.
He brave up on it.
400 meters, turn right onto Worthington Avenue.
You're going to
Our next right turn.
Worthington, 400 meters.
Turn right onto Worthington Avenue.
Thank you, Miss Jane. Miss Jane, accurate man.
2 minutes away, so I don't think that we can last by us.
One eternity later.
You're right.
500 meters. meters, turn right onto Haining Road.
Let's turn right. 500 meters.
Haining Road. Where is Haining Road?
500 meters.
Next right onto Haining Road, then turn left to stay on Haining Road.
Where's Gordon, you know?
Alright, let's turn right.
Turn right.
And then the next left turn. Never friend, I wonder what the hell in the car we go.
Take the next left to stay on Haining Road.
That's stay on Haining Road. Did you go up?
Take the left. Take the left. That is opposite.
You go say welcome to
In
Court.
200 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
Okay, thank you, Miss Jen. What you say?
200 meters.
Where you reach church, what I go?
Oh. I'm good to accept that.
They last.
No, that tell me to the map last week. Yeah?
We still reach your destination and I'm big like road.
Oh, God.
Yo, Miss Jenna. Yo. I'm saying plug up in our ears. I call the auditorium there.
Go out with that.
Celebrity, you know, daddy. Man, them there. Watch it there.
Yo, where are you?
Watch it crew. Watch it crew there.
Yo,
Right here.
you know, so we have to come up that road.
Remember, my people know your people. So we are people. Yeah.
R-A-Y-A-N. Flash on moon.
Whatever it says. Exactly. So whatever it says. What you said?
I think so, hold on, check.
Yeah. So yes.
Last, but by no means least. The dancehall queen competition is Tropical Beach Gym.
You got this! 93!
Sanchez.
Chest for days!
Oh, you mean Ryan?
Back, let's go.
Nigel, I will back over your job. Sammy, how you do by you? That dirty. Make you judge and see what you got. Good, Nigel, good.
That's it, Daniel. That's it, boy. Squid.
Yeah, Daniel!
To your right. Music to the DJ myself. Please go and speak to the DJ now.
It's petite-sue!
Hi guys. What's the name of?
Delia's place.
What's the name of your subbies? Or they just name subbies?
Let us name subbies. I met the famous petite-sue. I'm so happy! If you ever know me, you ever know me over there, they said to my son, say, we should I go with her? We should I go with her? And he must say, of course, go on. Day after the competition, and we have come to the beach. See me here. Happy a garbage done for true. So last night, guys, as you would have seen in the previous clip, I met petite-sue. She's one of my favorite vloggers, and I met her, guys, and I'm telling you, just like how she is on her channel, it's the same way she goofy and nice. I'm telling you. So we're gonna swim, we're gonna have a little fun at the beach, and then we're gonna get something to eat, right? Right?
Yeah. Hey guys, what's up?
So how are you feeling after the show?
I'm feeling surprisingly, but not surprised. I'm feeling good. No qualms about it, I'm feeling good.
So what was your result?
I did make the top 6. It was 16 of us in classic bodybuilding, which was the most competitive category, I tell you. You guys can see for yourself. It was very competitive. So I really feel no way about it. I am satisfied. I'm humble. So today, I'm just gonna unwind. I'm at the beach.
What was one of the highlights of your evening?
Oh yeah, big up to petite-sue.
It's not petite-sue, it's petite.
Oh, petite-sue.
You know, see she little?
Petite-sue. Petite-sue.
Yeah.
Right, for passing through the vlog. Just continue doing what you're doing. You're awesome.
You're closing the vlog now? It's like you're gonna close
So
it?
yeah, we're gonna close the vlog right here. We're just gonna unwind at the beach today and just chill and reflect on the day that was. So until another time, please like, subscribe, and as I said before in another video, that we have some exciting content coming out. So make sure to subscribe, click the notification bell, right? So.
And you promise we're not gonna go ghost like we usually do?
No, we won't go ghost like we usually. So that's it, guys. See you all in another vlog. Peace out.
Ang